Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Diva Log. I'm Shruti and here I make fashion, DIY and beauty related videos. So if this is something you like or if this is something you love to binge watch, then don't forget to turn that red subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it so every time I upload a video, you can catch on. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @IamShruts and link will be there in the description box below. You all have got to know what we are going to do in today's video. So basically today's video is DIY spa day at home. Obviously Diwali aa rahi hai, we want to look good, we want to look glowy, and for that I have uploaded a facial video. But while I was shooting that video, I have realized that I am concentrating only on face. I am skipping on a body and hairs. So I thought I will make one more video in which I will include hair, body and face in one. But I'll suggest you to try facial once to get that glowy skin. I will link that video in I and in the description box below. Don't forget to check that out. But let's move towards our today's video. So if you are wondering this is DIY's party at home and why she is wearing this kind of a clothes, because I don't want to ruin that festive vibe and that Diwali vibe going on my channel. So today I have kept gram flour as a star ingredient and we are going to play around it. Like we are going to make face pack, hair pack and body scrub from it. We all know benefits of gram flour. That's why we are including it in our skincare since ages. It controls acne, it tightens your skin, it brightens your skin and mainly it detends your body. So if you want to know what I did in my DIY spa day at home and how I created body scrub, hair mask and face pack only from one ingredient, then without further ado, let's get dive straight into the video and start with our DIY spa day. But before that, let me change my clothes and wear something very comfy and very cozy. So let's first start off with the hair mask because we have to keep that into our hairs for 15 to 20 minutes at least. Then for hair mask, take a 2 tablespoons of curd, then add 2 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix it well and your hair mask is ready. Now I'm just making two sections like this. First I will apply it mainly on my scalp. I know while washing it's a task, but it's okay, sometimes you have to bear with it if you want that fresh looking hair. And use any mild shampoo so that you will get an effect of it. Now I will reverse my hair and apply from back side. If you have longer hair than me, then maybe this mask will not be sufficient for you. Just add 1-2 tablespoons more in the same ratio and then apply it. Just look at my soft red color. किस एंगल से soft red अभी दिख रहा है? Like if you don't know, I have colored my hair recently. Like I did my highlights and I have uploaded that video also. I will link it down in I. So check that out. Actually पहले मोका ब्राउन था, उसके ऊपर मैंने soft red किया, ये वो आपको वीडियो में पता चलेगा. So but अभी ये किसी भी एंगल से soft red बिल्कुल भी नहीं दिख रहा है. Like so red shade का यही प्रॉब्लम होता है, वो हम जल्दी से फेड अप हो जाता है. And now remaining, I'm just spreading on my ends. I'm just tying my hair. Now it's time to exfoliate our face and our hand. So let's get started with that. Now for a body scrub, take a 3 tablespoons of gram flour. Mix milk in it. Here I am having cream in milk. Mix the paste and your body scrub is ready. For exfoliation, we have simple basic mask which I absolutely love. Like besan and milk is the best mask I have ever seen. Like मैं personally बहुत ज़्यादा time use करती हूँ. Like मैं कभी किसी vacation से आती हूँ, beaches से आती हूँ, तो मैं instantly for a week use करती हूँ because it gives me amazing results. I'm just taking it little bit on my hand and applying all over my face. If my hair situation is making you awkward, I'm so sorry for that, but it is what it is. Once I have applied all over my face, I'll start massaging it. Don't forget your lips also. The one I have showed in the DIY facial at home ना, उससे भी ज़्यादा मुझे ये स्क्रब बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. And you know, ये मैं बहुत दिनों से यूज़ करती हूँ personally. That's why I love this scrub. Like we all know बेसन का तो एकदम पेस्ट होता है, so ये बिल्कुल भी हार्श नहीं होता है. And now I'm taking it on my hand. And as you can see here, this white black thing, yes, my body gets tan very easily. Like मैं अगर 2-3 दिन भी continuously बाहर गई ना in a daytime, तो definitely पता चल जाता है कि my body is getting tan. Apply it little bit on your elbows because वो part बहुत ज़्यादा tan होता है. I will repeat the same process and this hand and I will be right back because my floor is getting dirty and my mom is going to kill me for that. So I will go outside, repeat this process and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm back and I have washed my hands and face because this scrub gets dried very easily. And while I was washing my face, मैं उसी टाइम अपने फेस को ऐसे एक्सफोलिएट कर रही थी, like ऐसे मसाज करके पूरा स्क्रब कर रही थी. And then lastly I washed it off with a clear water. Now my face is squeaky clean and we are left with our last step, that is face mask. For a face pack, take 2 tablespoons of gram flour, half ripe or overripe banana, and then add 4 to 5 drops of aloe vera gel. Mix it well and your face pack is ready. And now I'm going to apply this banana, gram flour and aloe vera mixture on my face. It's so cold. And basically for winters, this face mask is so good. Like it will not dry out your face. Use ripe banana, like overripe होगा तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. I'm applying it under my eyes also. And मुझे मेरे अंडर आइज पे रिलैक्सेशन की बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है because of editing of this Diva Log series. I'm thinking of I will make a day in my life, and in that I will include how I shoot my videos and what's my routine of shooting videos. So if you are interested watching the video, please tell me in the comment section below. I'm just coating the face with the second layer because मेरा face mask बचा है. And yes, with that I'm not going to make you more awkward. So I will keep this face mask for 10 minutes and then I will wash it off. Similarly with my hair, I will keep this for more 10 minutes and then I will wash it off. Like I will go to the bath, I will take a long shower bath. So now we will meet after my long hot shower session and when my hair is dry. I just took a bath and I am here to show you how my face is looking after face pack. Okay, so I'm back from that hot 1 hour shower and I'm feeling so relaxed. And I have dried my hair naturally. It took a long time to dry my hair, but I want to dry it naturally. Like maximum of the times I dry my hair naturally. I don't use dryer and anything because that's very small thing which makes huge difference in your hair quality. So as you can see, my hairs are bouncy, shiny, and they are looking pretty good. I haven't used any styling equipment. I just came from a bath, dried my hair, and I'm sitting here. There is nothing in between. Same to my face. There is literally nothing on my face except the lip balm. But on my face there is absolutely nothing. By yourself you can see the glow. And if we come towards my hands are soft and supple, but they are not properly detaned. If you want to detan your hands, you must have to use the scrub for continue 3 to 4 days. But for now, my hands are soft and supple and they are looking pretty clean. That's what I expect from this DIY spa day. This video will help you for instantaneous purpose to get that clean scalp and shiny hairs. And your face will look more bright and more alive. And if you come to body, as I said, your body will be soft and supple. And वो जो मिट्टी का एक layer होता है ना, वो निकल के आपकी body थोड़ी सी clean दिखेगी. Try to add this day in your weekly routine. Then only it will help you and give you major effects. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Put your good comments in the comment section below. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay happy.